Our new topic is dependent and independent variable. Okay, so when we say variable, variable means characteristics or attributes that assumes different values. For example, sa variables, height, diba? Kita on, diba? Sa klase na to din diba? Di man ta parehas og height, diba? No. Oh, another example of variables, weight. Okay. So, pa another example of variables. Okay, status. Okay, so a variable is a characteristics or attributes that assume different values. Okay, so variables may be dependent or independent. Okay. So, unsa may but pasabot na what do you mean by independent and dependent? Okay, in Bisaya, independent. What do you mean? Sa inyong pagsabot, independent. Independent na kayo na siya. What does it mean? Yeah, independent na siya sa iyang mama. What does it mean? Kanang dili na magsalig sa iyang mama no, kanang mga bata nga dako na dili na maligo na siya o sa iyara mismo kay independent. Ang dependent magsalig. Okay, so mo na ibot sabot. Dependent variables depends on the independent variable. So ang dependent nga variable magsalig sa independent variable, while the independent variables controls the dependent variables. Okay, arita sa atong graph, di ba? Mamalit dyan atong y coordinates, then ang atong x coordinates. The x coordinates or the x represent the independent variables. Okay, so the independent variables is associated with the x axis. Okay, kay mao man na sadya ang usa pa to domain, di ba? Input, di ba? Okay, then the dependent variable is associated with the y-axis. Mao na sadya ang atong range and ang atong output. So the y depends on x. Okay, so now we have here illustration. Do you know that a running faucet can waste about 15 liters of water per minute? Okay, so ang tubig, for example, you forgot to close your faucet, nakalimot ka pagsira, yan, nagsigig siya, nagsigig agas. Okay, so a running faucet can waste about 15 liters 15 ka litro, for example, imagine litro sa ko, 15 ka buok of water per minute. Okay, so this time, atong i-determine which is the independent and the dependent variable. So, in this situation, asa man diha ang independent variable? Sige, take a guess. Guys, asa man independent variable and independent diha. Analyze. Dependent variable, asa man? Asa man ang dependent variable o ang independent variable? Harvey, what is the dependent variable? Oh, kini unsa man ni siya? 15 letters. So the dependent variable is the 15 liters of water. Okay, ang independent variable per minute. So this is the time. So the time is the independent variable. Okay, so let's make a table of values. Okay, so this is the x and this is the y. Okay, so our x is the saan is siya? Time. Okay, di ba? The time. And then, the y is the liters. Okay, liters of water. Letters of waters. Okay. Diba? Okay, so but this is our table of values. Okay, sa 1 minute, pila ang ma-usik nga water? 15. Okay. Sa 2 minutes.
30.
Oh, 30. Okay, very good. Nga nung 30 man, how did you come up with the, 30? Okay, 30. Okay, sa 3 minutes. Okay, 45 liters. Okay, sa 4 minutes. 60. Okay, and then, let's say, sa 5 minutes. 75. Okay. Okay, so mo na si Jai, both pasabot. Let's say the time. Okay, the time is the independent, and then the letters of water is the dependent variable. Okay, so di ba? This is the time is the input. Butang na to niya, ang y is the output. Okay, for example, then he classify the variables as independent or dependent. Time and salary. Asa may, which one is the independent variable? Time, okay. Okay, very good. Time is the independent variable. Okay. Kaya nag-control man siya. The independent variable controls the dependent variable. So, the dependent variable is what? Salary. Okay. Nga nung why is it that the dependent variable is the salary? Nga naman. Diba, kung pila ka oras ka nagtrabaho, mamapod ang imong sako, diba? For example, if your salary per hour is 100 pesos, if you work for 2 hours, how much is your salary? 200. Okay, very good. Okay, number 2. The number of hours boiling and the numbers of ounces of water in the pot. Okay, so what do you think is the independent variable? Pila ka oras nga nagbukal-bukal ang tubig, unya number of ounces of water in the pot. So pila pud kadaghanon ang tubig diha sa takuri. Okay, so asa may independent variable nun dyan?
Hours.
Huh?
The number
of nga naman, why is it number of hours boiling ang independent variable? Ha? Time. And then, ang dependent variable? Analyze. The number of ounces of water in the pot. Okay, so i-analyze. Asa may mas kusog mo bukal? Daghang tubig, gagmay tubig. Asa may mas dali, dugay mo bukal, daghang tubig. Oh, unsa man? Ang dugay mo bukal pag daghang tubig. Dali ra nga mo bukal is ang gamay nga tubig. So asa may independent variable nato? Sige na. The number of? Asa may independent?
The number of ounces.
Okay, the number of ounces of water. Atong independent variable. Diba? Kung ang imong ipabukalan usa ka baso, pila man na ka minuto?
Isa.
Oh, pero usa ka kalderong dako, pila ka minuto na?
Isa.
Di mas mas daghan kasi bukal. Diba no? Okay, so dependent variable is the number of hours. Okay, number of hours. Okay, kini. Number 3, the distance covered and the volume of the gasoline. Which one is the independent variable? Okay, volume of? Okay, anong volume of the gasoline man? Okay, let's say this scenario. 1 liter of gasoline, maybe it will reach pinto yan, no? Pag 50, let's say 10 liters of gasoline, asa na makabot? Oh, libuan. Okay, so the independent variable is the volume of gasoline and the dependent variable is the distance covered. Na gets? Did you understand, guys? Diba kung mas daghan siya gasolina, mas layo man ang iyang maabtan. Okay. Okay. Number 4. The number of hours studied to grade on test. Kini sayo naman na asa may independent variable. The number of hours studied to grade on test. Mighty. Sa my answer. Harvey. Sige. Number of hours. Okay, the independent number of hours studied. And then, ang dependent variable, grade on test. You agree? Kaysa may magtuon din hibi. O kaysa pwede magtuon, di ba? Let's say, bisan ang bright hindi magtuon, gamay nagkuha, pero bright pa na magtuon pagkadyod, labi nagdugay, o makakuha na din mayo. Kaysa, dili pagkadyod magtuon, no? You agree with me? Okay, so, ano na siya? Inversely proportional. Kung pila kataas ang imong grado, directly proportional. Kung pila kataas ang imong hours sa pagtuon, mapagtaas po ng imong grades. Okay, number 5. Height of a plant to the numbers of months grown. Okay, asa may independent o dependent variable. Number of number of months. On the dependent variable is the height of the plant. Height of the plant. Okay nga naman, diba? As the months progress, the height of the plant also is growing, diba? Increasing. For example, kamo pila na, how old are you now?
14.
14. Okay, pareha ba mo og height sa unang edad pa mo 10? Diba? Taas na inyong edad, ana na po mo taas, maliban lang og short, gadud, no? Tama ka di tao nga genetically,
Hindi na mataas.
ayun kalawa si Harvey, okay? Okay, so nag-gets na? Unsa to sa independent of dependent variable? The independent variable controls the dependent. Okay, ang independent is the input or the domain, while the dependent depends on the independent. Mo na nga atong output. Kung unsa imong gi-input, mo po na sadya ang output. Okay, sige. Take 1/4 activity.